Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you present perfect continuous. So what is present perfect continuous? In order to learn present perfect continuous, we need to see the usages. So here we have the usages. The first usage is an action started in the past and in progress up to the present. Second is an action has been in progress up to the recent past, result in present. Now it's time to see the structure of present perfect continuous. So here we have the structure and then we have the examples. So the first example is I have been doing the job since 2009. I have been doing the job since 2009. So what is the first usage? Means this is a past and this is the present. Okay, this is a past and this is a present. So what the first usage? An action started in the past and in progress up to the present. So for example, an action started in the past and still continue and still continue. Still continue. For example, started in the past, still continue. It's called present perfect continuous. Means I have been doing the job since 2009. Mean today is, for example, 2016 or 2017 is about 2017. Okay. So say that since 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16 and then now 17. So means still continue. Getting me? It's called present perfect continuous. Second is it has been snowing definitely. Then we have the third example. We have been waiting for you for 3 hours. We have been waiting for you for 3 hours. Definitely this is one. An action started in the past and still continue. Still continue in present. Getting me? Then we have the second usage, an action has been in progress up to the recent past. Means an action started in the past. An action started in the past and recently finished. What is the first usage? An action started in the past and still continue. Or second is an action started in the past and is recently finished. Getting me? This is definitely, these are the usages of present perfect continuous. Getting me? And now we should go towards since and for. Why do we use since and why do you use for? For example, if I say since, if I say for. So for is for duration. For example, duration. Okay, duration. For example, if I say here 4 hours, you can say 3 days, 1 week. Getting me? It's called, we use for duration. We use since. Starting point of action. Starting point of action. For example, if I say here, you can say 8. For example, 12 o'clock, or getting me? Monday, since Monday. Getting me? So we are starting when the action started. Actually we use for duration and since for starting point action. Means when action was started. Means at 12 o'clock. Means you can say that since 12, since Monday, since Tuesday. Getting me? So here we can see here is showing the since 2009 because starting point of action. Getting me? Started when it started, and here is showing the duration. Getting me? Here we are showing the duration. Now it's time to see the structure of present perfect continuous. So the structure is here: subject, has been, have been, fourth form verb plus object. What is mean by subject? Subject means doer, means who. Here we have I. Here we have we. Getting me? Subject means anyone. For example, it can be me, it can be Naveed, it can be naveedplace.com, it can be my friend, anyone. Then definitely we have has been or have been. Definitely, if we have if our like you can say subject will be singular. For example, if I say he, she, it, or any singular name, it will come. So we will use has. If a subject will be subject, subject I'm talking about. If a subject will be have, if a subject will be they, we, I, or any plural. So what we use? We will use have. So here you can see that we have I. That's why we use have been. And definitely we have word first form, the fourth form. You know how many forms of word do we have here? Fourth form, first form, second form, third form, and fourth form. Here we are using verb fourth form. Getting me? And what is a verb? A word which is used to indicate that is called verb. For example, if I say dance, eat, sleep, you can say walk, run. These are what? Verb. And definitely we are using fourth form because this is continue. And definite object. Object tells the meaning of all the sentence. For example, if I say here, I have been doing, but if I don't use object, so will you get the meaning of all this sentence? No, you won't. Why? Because object was missing. Getting me? So if I say here that we have been waiting, but if I don't use for you, so will you get the meaning of this sentence? You say we have been waiting for. We have been waiting. We have been waiting for him, her, or definitely him. Getting me? Or them. So definitely you are confused. So objects tell the meaning of all the sentence. So this was lecture on present perfect continuous. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah.